Is it really possible to make $2,000 a day in and day out? Make sure you stay all the way to the end of this video to check it out. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Arthur Early here. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, and also go ahead and follow me here on Facebook, guys. But anyway, asking, is it possible to make $2,000 a day on a daily basis? And yes, the answer is yes, with this amazing system called Profits Passport, guys. It's very, very simple. This is what you do, and I'm going to show you proof again and again. You just got to go here to this capture page, which is set up for you, done for you system. You got to go ahead and watch this webinar, and it explains everything step by step to show you exactly how to make $2,000 a day and up to $16,500 on complete autopilot. But listen, I'm not going to sit here and talk forever. I want to show you exactly one of the systems in this online marketing system that is going to generate that, which is Easy1up. Here it is right here, guys. As you can see, Easy1up, they got to start by giving you the training right here. Peter Wolfen is the owner of the Easy1up system. They're going to give you live training, daily training, so you know exactly how to do it. Okay. Number two, people are getting results. 6 hours ago, at the time of this recording, $1,000 came in. Okay, $1,000, guys. Think about that. What is that going to do to change your life? To make $1,000 a day. Okay, that's $30,000 a month, guys. $30,000 additional dollars a month that you could be making. Okay, they give you how to get traffic right to your website, and that's what affiliate marketing, guys, is really about. It's driving traffic to your offer. And then a system like this that converts, you will make money. It's driving traffic, and they show you how to drive the traffic, and they give you the traffic sources. But so do I, guys. I have my own very traffic sources, and I have my own bonuses that I will give you once you join me in the system. Okay, let's keep going. $3,500 one day while on vacation. Okay, looking and chilling at the beach, feet up, making $3,500. Okay, as you can see here, making $1,000, guys. All right, 7 figures online. All right, now I'm going to show you something else. Now this is the Easy1up Facebook group. Okay, this is the Easy1up Facebook group. $5,500 in only 3 days, guys. Okay, it's very, very possible to make this money. But now I'm going to go over to the actual system of, it's called Profits Passport, and show you the actual results that people are getting in that system. Now, it says right here, I do the work, you make the commissions, guys. You don't have to worry about creating a website. You don't have to worry about creating a capture page. You don't have to worry about sending out emails. You don't have to worry about building a team and having your team duplicate what you do. You don't have to worry about getting on and doing webinars. You don't have to worry about getting on and selling pills, lotions, potions. None of that. None of it. Okay? You have to not worry about anything. Like I said before, it's as simple as driving traffic to a capture page and letting the system do the work for you. Very simple. I love it when I get commission calls saying that I've made money. It's the best feeling in the world. But anyway, guys, look. Okay, 6 hours ago, another $2,000 day. The first time in my life, guys. The first time. Another thing I love about this system is that brand new people are making it happen with this system. They're winning. People that have never marketed, much probably like yourself. Or maybe you saw one of my videos and you said, you know what, is this real? Okay, I've never done this before. Can I do it? Yes. 100%. It says right here, first time. Guys, this is a Facebook group. These are real testimonies of people that are making money. Because when people start to make money, that's what they want to do. They want to tell other people that it's possible. They want to try to break that mindset that people have, that saying that making money online is a scam. And I'm here to tell you guys it's not. Okay, so let's continue to go on. $2,000. All right, 16 days. That's 2 weeks and 2 days. $11,000. That's 22,000. That's $23,000 a month. Okay. Are you making that at your job right now? Are you making that in this economy? $23,000 a month? I highly doubt it. I highly doubt it. Okay. What would that do for you? What would that do financially for you? You'll be able to leave your job, spend more time with your family, spend more time with your kids, spend more time on the things that you have a passion for. Okay? Go on vacation. Things like that, guys. Very, very simple. Look at this. Even $25 commissions come in. That pays for lunch. Okay? $25 commission. Again, guys, as of recording, today's October 22nd. This came in today, $25. All right? Signing up the system. Another system. Everybody. And the thing about it, guys, is you have a support system. You have a support system that's going to show you, okay, this is how you do it. This is what's working. This is not what's working. Use this traffic source. Don't use that traffic source, guys. Very simple. Another $2,000 commission rolled in. And people are getting it left and right. I'm telling you guys, if you haven't already done so, and if you're looking for an opportunity in 2020 going into 2021, this is what you need to look into, guys. Okay, Profits Passport. You don't have to, guys, I'm telling you right now, it's very, very simple. You don't have to do any selling, any telling. All you have to do is get the traffic to your website, and that's it. You don't even have to build the website. You don't have to send the emails, guys. Look, a $250 commission. All right? A $4,000 day, guys. Okay? Once again, $3,500 comes in. October 21st, 1 day ago, another $25 commission. $1,000 rolled in, guys. $1,000 in 1 day. How would that change your life, guys? How would that affect your life? And look at this, guys. $500 once, $600 another time. That's a $600 day, guys. So what I'm saying is the power of the internet. And what you're going to get is you're going to get the additional bonuses when you sign up with me. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give you your first 100 clicks on the house. The first 100 visitors to your website is going to be on me just for joining me. Okay? I understand you might not have $500 to join. You might not have $1,000, $2,000 to join. Guess what, guys? There's financing available. No money down financing. So that excuse that you don't have the money, you don't need the money to start. And you don't even have to have the best credit. I know people are starting out with like a 650 credit score, a 630 credit score. Going all in at the highest level, at the $2,000 level, making commissions and bringing people in. Okay? It's that simple, guys. That simple. I can't stress on how simple this really, really is. All right, guys. So I just wanted to go and show you exactly the power of this system, guys. The power of the system. And let me go ahead and show you the traffic sources in this. The different income streams with this brand new system, guys. Once again, $2,000. It's not a fib. It's not fake. It's real. Okay. As you can see, this is very, very real. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about, okay? Like I said, you got to watch a webinar. The webinar is about an hour and a half. But you have income stream number 1, which was the Easy1up, like I was telling you guys about, okay? Then you're going to have the income stream 2, which is going to go ahead and give you commissions up to $998. Okay, and it's also going to give you tools that you're going to need to generate money online. Okay, this right here is traffic sources, guys. Remember I was just telling you what traffic sources you're going to need? All you have to do is drive traffic to a website and make sure that the traffic converts. This is it right here. Number 4. This is crowdfunding. This is the newest hype. Okay, this makes some money. You don't have to worry about nothing, guys. That's what I'm trying to tell you. All right, Bitcoin commissions, guys. As of the time of this recording, which is October 22nd, Bitcoin is at $13,000. $13,000 right now, Bitcoin is, and it's climbing. And you can have an opportunity to get up to $16,500 in commission with zero out of pocket to start. Remember, guys, we offer financing. All right, email traffic commissions every day. All right, and last but not least is the ringless voicemails. You know exactly what it is. You get a voicemail, your phone never rang, you call it up and says, you know, you have a message on the line. This right here, guys, converts and makes people a lot of money. All right, guys, so once you get your system started with me, make sure you come in and you get your ringless voicemail set up, guys. You're going to get traffic. You get like 7, 8, 9, 10,000 leads right off the bat, guys. And what happens is they give you the email copy. They write the emails for you. All right, they write the emails for you. So you don't even have to worry about writing emails. No selling, no telling. Just, guys, get in. Make it happen today. Stop wasting time. Stop thinking about it. Get off the fence. Get into the system and start generating your own money, guys. This pandemic that we're going into, that we've been through, who knows when the next national quarantine is going to be? You don't want to get stuck out there. And now's the perfect time to do it, guys, because, well, like I said, we're offering zero to start out of your pocket. You could finance it, so you don't need to get started with the money out of pocket right away, guys. You're going to be able to do it. All right. So, guys, once again, I just want to go and show you this real quick to show you the power of this system. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys, because like I said, if you watch the last video, the channel is about to take a 180-degree turn. We're turning it up, guys. Go ahead and follow me on Facebook. All right, and I will see you on the next video. Click that link down below in the description and get you started today. Bye for now.